Hi everyone, this is Parul. Welcome to my channel. Today's yoga video is about short practice that you can do just after you wake up, in your bed, just before you pick your phone to check your emails and messages. Try this short yoga practice to release any tension, any aches in your body with your night's sleep, and energize your body and start your day on a positive note. So let's start. So imagine you're just woken up, so just you're lying down. So the first thing which I like to start my day with is to just say this simple word, thank you. Feeling of gratitude for this new day, for the new set of opportunities. And what a privilege to be alive, to love, to think, to enjoy. So with the feeling of gratitude, let's start this day. Stretch your arms up over your head, by the side of your ears, interlace your fingers, breathe in, stretch your arms, lengthen your body. Release any tension from your spine, from your lower back. Nice long stretch, breathe in and breathe out to release your hands. We can do this 2 more times. Stretch your arms up by the side of your ears, interlace your fingers, breathe in, release. And breathe out to release your hands. Let's do this 1 more time. Stretch your arms up, breathe in, interlace your fingers, lengthen your spine, breathe in. Release any tension from your body, breathe. And breathe out to release your hands by the side of your body. Okay, now you're going to bend your right leg, hug your right leg in with your hands. Get your right knee closer to your body. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed. Keep breathing. And release. Release your hands. We're going to do this 2 more times. Right leg bend, hug your right knee, get your knee closer to your body. Keep breathing. And release. 1 more time. Take your leg in, breathe in. Hug your right knee, get it closer to your body. And breathe out to release. Let's do it on the left side. Bend your left leg, hug your left knee in with your hands, get your left knee closer to your body. Breathe in and breathe out to release. 2 more times. Bend your left leg, hug your left knee in, get it closer to your body. Breathe in and breathe out to release. 1 more time. Breathe in, hug your left leg in, get your left knee closer to your body. Breathe. Make sure your neck and shoulders are relaxed. And breathe out to release. Okay, now hug both the legs in, bend your legs, and then you gently swing side to side. Massaging your lower back, releasing the tension from your lower back. Continue to breathe. You can also make circles with your knee from side to side. So if you can start with right side for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and to the other side. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you gently rest your feet down. Let's do reclining pigeon. So lift your right leg, rest your right heel on top of your left knee. And lift your left foot off the bed and hug your left leg in. Let your shoulders and neck be relaxed. So this is a good release for your hips. Staying here for a few seconds for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Slowly release. Left foot on the bed. Get your right leg back. Let's change it. Now lift your left leg. Resting your left heel on top of right knee. Release your right foot off the bed. And hug your right knee in, closer to your body. Let your neck and shoulders relax. Keep breathing. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Rest your right foot down. Relax your left leg back. Okay, let's do spinal twist. So make your arms like cactus arms. So just bending your arms and lift both the legs bent to your left side, and you're looking in the opposite direction of your legs to the right. Spinal twist. Breathing. And then you lift your legs, come to the center, change it to the other side, to your right, and you're looking in the opposite direction to your left. Continue to breathe. And come back to the center, rest your feet down, hands by the side of your body. Let's do happy baby. So bend your right leg, holding the outside of your right foot. Bend your left leg, holding the outside of your left foot. Imagine you're squatting in the air. So your knees come closer to your body, okay, and let your lower back and tailbone be relaxed. If you feel your tailbone is lifting up, then you can hold it with your ankles as well, or your shin, wherever you can. Open your legs, breathe, and then if you want, you can gently swing side to side. Continue to breathe. Staying here for a few seconds. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to slowly release, resting your feet back way. Now let your left leg be bent. Lift your right leg, straighten it, and do ankle rotation. Choose any side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Change 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Now bend your right leg and hold it from wherever you can. Hold it. Rest your neck and shoulders on the bed. And if you can hold your toes, go for it. Or you can hold your ankle or your shin. Curl your toes in. Keep breathing. So you're releasing your hamstring. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Release. Rest your right leg back. Let your right leg be bent. Lift your left leg, extend it, and do ankle rotation. Choose either of the side. For 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And change 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And now bend your left leg. See if you can hold the toes, or you can hold your ankle or your shin. Let your neck and shoulders be relaxed on the bed. And breathe, releasing your hamstring. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And you're going to slowly release it. And then from here, gently drop your knees down, coming in butterfly pose, Supta Baddha Konasana. Resting your hands very gently on your belly. Let's do abdominal breathing, belly breathing. Breathe in through your nose, expand your belly. And breathe out through your nose, get your belly in, contract. Continue, breathe in to expand. And breathe out to contract. Breathe in to expand. Breathe out to contract. Breathe in, expand. And breathe out, contract. One more time, breathe in, expand. And breathe out, contract. Let your belly be at neutral position. Now just take your right palm and gently massage your belly. So gently massaging in clockwise direction. This will help you massage your internal organs, kickstart your digestive process, start your day. Stay here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And then you're going to slowly release. Get your knees in, extend your legs, arms by the side of your body. Now you're ready to start the day. Before you start your day, if you want to tell yourself anything positive, you want to set any intention for the day, or what kind of day you want today, just tell yourself. And then if you're ready to end the practice, just turn to the side of your bed and with the help of your hands, gently come up. So this is a short yoga practice that you can do just after you wake up to energize your body, to release the tension from your body and starting your day on a positive note. I hope you will find this useful. Thank you so much. Do subscribe to my channel. I'm posting new videos every week for your home practice. Thank you so much. See you again.